Hi, my name is Cameron Standard. Today I'll teach you how to attach a document to your Google Calendars and share it with others. So let's pick a day. Let's try Thursday the 9th, and let's pick a random time. I will go with 11 a.m. to 12 p.m., but you could choose whatever time you want. And let's title it Business Meeting. Okay, from here, you're going to have these options to add guests, add Google Meet video conferencing, add location, add description, or attachment. Now we want to add an attachment to this meeting. So let's click here. And then you'll have four options pop up. You'll have recent, you'll have my drive, shared with me, and that's anything that was shared with me through my files, and upload, where you can go through your files and find a perfect document for this. We're going to use recent, and we're going to just choose a random one, business letter. And you can see right here that it's been attached to this. We're going to click save. And now here comes the sharing part. You want to click again. Then you want to go to email guest. Now, you can also send a copy to you, but from here you'll choose like an email or the people that you want to send an email out to. So we're going to try, for instance. And then we'll send a message. And from there, it will send a copy out to your friends, and it's notifying them the time and the date for this meeting as well as the attachments. That is all. Thank you.